As someone with long hair, I love a leave-in conditioner spray because I feel like it really just helps me wash my hair, like get all the tangles out as I've washed my hair, and really just kind of hydrate my hair and really like give it that beautiful shine that I need. So what I've been so excited for everything kind of Dyson, and now that too they have their conditioner spray, I've been in love. This has their 7 omega rich oil, which really helps nourish your hair without any silicones, especially if you don't want that buildup. This has weightless application, and this is a pretty weighty bottle, so you feel like it's a very luxurious formula. But as you can see, you want to get like a good kind of firm because this has a beautiful spray. This also has a beautiful kind of bright like clean fragrance. It's called a citrus, green tea, and bergamot with a soft jasmine and rose. But I don't find it's very floral. Just kind of like a clean kind of green tea and citrus kind of smell balanced with those florals. This is also going to protect your hair from any damage caused by brushing, reduce breakage, and as you can see, my hair is pretty long. I haven't gotten a haircut in 2 years, so I really like stuff that will really help nourish and hydrate my hair. Especially when I'm brushing, this is definitely something you need. So if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner, especially one, two, this has refillable packaging. You just kind of push it out in the bottom and you just use this to refill. And if you want to put it in, but you're worried about spraying, this is my favorite thing. You just kind of give a quick little snap of the wrist and then it's in. And so it's beautiful packaging. So if you're looking for something, this is definitely one you need.